Closer.
The hands. That's hands. Finger. Your feet. Your toes. Whose toes is this? Whose toe is this? The big toe, smallest toe, the middle toe. Your bottom. Your knee. This is the knee. This is your leg. Legs. Your tummy. Your belly. Your neck. Yeah, this is Emma's foot. This is Emma's foot. This is your foot. Yeah. This is your foot. These are your feet. This is your big toe. Almost your biggest toe. The middle's toe. Almost the most little toe. And the littlest toe. Huh? And the littlest toe. This is your back. Your cheeks. Both of the cheeks. This is your nose. This is your nose. This is your forehead. These are your eyes. These are your eyes. These are your eyes. And your beautiful eyelashes. These are your eyelashes. And these are your ears. These are your ears. These are your ears. This is your nose. This is your forehead. These are your eyebrows. Eyebrows. This is your neck. This is your head. This is your face. And this is your gorgeous hair. Yeah. These are your lips under your dummy. Under your dummy. Ooh. This is your mouth, and these are your lips. Inside is your tongue. Littlest tongue. Yeah. These are your eyebrows. These are your cheeks.
The bum and legs also.
This is your bum. These are your butt cheeks. These are your legs. These are your thighs. Yeah, thighs. Kut, snap je knieën. Oh, these are your knees. This is your knee. These are both of your knees. This is your knee. These are two knees of yours. This is your knee. This is the other knee. These are both of your knees. This is your knee. This is your other knee. These are both of your knees. Your both knees. These are your legs. These are your feet. These are your legs. This is your back. This is your back. This is your back. These are your shoulders. One shoulder, two shoulders. One shoulder, two shoulders. Both of your shoulders. These are your arms. These are your arms. These are your elbows. This is your wrist. And this is the other wrist. Both of your wrists. Both of your wrists. These are your hands. These are your hands. One hand, two hands. And all of your little fingers. Your thumb. Yeah. This is your littlest finger. You have 5 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 fingers on each hand. Yeah. Yeah.